crystals and energy go hand in hand, and we have here Red Jasper, great for grounding, clearing, balancing, and aligning your root chakra, passion, protection, prosperity. Snowflake Obsidian, balancing yin and yang, light and dark, shadow self-healing. Rose Quartz, for your heart center, self-love, emotional healing, letting go of the past. Where are you? Where are your thoughts, beautiful soul? What is it that you desire to release, to let go? Perhaps some forgiveness. Here is some Sodalite. Throat chakra clearing. And then some clear optical calcite. Clarity, insights, clearing your third eye. Allow yourself to clear your thoughts, your energy, your emotions, and you will begin to recognize more of what your angels, your spirit guides, whomever it is you connect with, will show up for you. They are already showing up for you, and yet there is something, past or present, that is causing a little bit of fogginess in the brain, fogginess in the mind. Just take a deep breath, beautiful soul, and release it. You turn it into the hands of Divine Source.